Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add a show in Watchlist on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to add a show in Watchlist on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you want to watch a show but right now you don't have time, so you just want to save it for later. Or maybe in few days you will have holidays or maybe you travel so you just want to save the show in your watch list for that so that you could remember the show. Or there could be any other reason for you to save a show in watch list on Crunchyroll. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can add a show in watch list on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave return instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Crunchyroll app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you will notice the icon of the app and few other options at the top and few at the bottom as well. Into middle of the screen, there are different shows that you could watch, and if you want to add them into watch list, you could also do that. As you can see at bottom, we have five different options. If you select this second option, which is my list, there you will see all the shows that you have saved in watch list. But before we will add shows into watch list. So here we have a lot of shows on our screen. I clicked on one of these. Here you can see this is how it looks. If you look there, we have its name, detail, episodes, and all other information. Now, if you want to save it for later, here we have two options: watch now, or you could add them through this option into watch list. So this is a bookmark option. Just simply click on it, and that show will be added into your watch list. Here it also notifies that this show has been added to your watch list. Now I will add another show like this one. I tapped on it, again go through all this, like written, and then just simply click onto this option. It also got saved into watch list. Now if you want to get access to these things, you have to look down. There we have five options. You just have to simply click onto this second option which says my list, this one. Just simply tap onto this one, and there you will see that under watch list we have two shows that we just added. So that's how, if you have heard a lot about a show that you really wanted to watch but you don't have time, so you can add that show or any other show of your choice into your watch list, and whenever you get time or maybe whenever you think is the right moment, you could watch that show. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add show in watch list on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.